Welcome to the USPC Festival registration. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about participating in festival opportunities. The USPC Festival Education offers a variety of opportunities for riders and auditors to learn, participate, and grow. Whether you're mounted or auditing, there's something for everyone. With mounted registration, participants can take part in up to 4 mounted clinics of their choice, including a maximum of 2 jumping clinics. Plus, you'll have unlimited access to audit mounted, unmounted, and master clinics. And for a unique experience, don't forget you can participate in a mock fox hunt. The Education All Access Pass gives you full access to clinics from Monday, July 13th through Wednesday, July 15th. This pass also includes unlimited auditing of mounted, unmounted, and master clinics. If you're only attending for one day, the Education Day Pass is a great option. Choose from Monday, July 13th, Tuesday, July 14th, or Wednesday, July 15th, and enjoy full access to clinics on that day, along with unlimited auditing opportunities. Schooling rounds are available on Tuesday, July 14th, and Wednesday, July 15th. Participants can choose jumper rounds or dressage rider tests. Each round is $50, giving you a valuable opportunity to practice in a competition setting. Those eligible for festival championships should register from the icons on their ponyclub.org profile. Entry links for championships are available in each member's profile based on their eligibility. If your eligibility is missing, contact your regional supervisor. Be sure to review the step-by-step entry instructions for guidance. Eventing competitors will enter both championships and the Kentucky Summer Horse Trials through event entries. A separate Pony Club entry is not required. The 2026 USPC Open Gymkhana Competition and Open Trail Competition are both open to Pony Club members and non-members, making this a great opportunity for wider participation. Here are some frequently asked questions. For shavings and mats, you can order from Devers online or by phone. Required horse documents include a negative Coggins and a certificate of veterinary inspection issued within 30 days, valid for the duration of competition and travel. Your Pony Club login will not work on Pegasus. You'll need to create a new separate account. And horses may arrive starting at 12 p.m. or noon on Monday, July 13th. For a championship, horses must move in by 10 a.m. on Thursday, July 16th. All coaches must complete the coach form, and all team chaperones must complete the chaperone form for the 2026 championship. For additional details such as pricing, schedules, and the guidebook, visit the Pony Club website on the festival page. Please note that additional fees may apply. Thank you for your interest in the 2026 Pony Club Festival. We look forward to seeing you there.